Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your system. Create a restore point and back up important files so changes are reversible. Once secure, open Settings and choose a dark or custom theme to immediately reduce visual clutter and eye strain. This also improves contrast for icons. Next, remove bloatware and disable unnecessary startup apps to speed animations and responsiveness. This makes aesthetic tweaks feel snappier. Make sure to reboot after initial removals, so Windows applies baseline optimizations. Now refine visuals with deliberate choices. Center the taskbar, hide unneeded icons, and adjust icon size to create a balanced desktop. These small changes alter perceived order and space. Once done, tidy File Explorer, turn off quick access clutter, set compact view, and streamline context menus so file operations are cleaner. If you need custom accents or rounded corners, install one trusted, lightweight theming tool. It's better to use a single app to avoid conflicts and preserve stability. Finish by unifying the look. Choose a high-contrast wallpaper and matching accent color to tie elements together. Cohesion makes the interface feel intentionally designed. Then fine-tune animations, transparency, and display scaling and accessibility, and display settings so performance and aesthetics balance. If something breaks or Windows behaves oddly, use the restore point you created or boot into safe mode to undo the last change and uninstall the theming tool. This quick rollback prevents prolonged instability and gets you back to a working baseline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.